Hi, hello, welcome to my channel H130. Today we are going to discuss about what are the Steam API and how to create Steam API and how to create operations on and how to filter, how to map, how to retrieve data from a collection. We are going to discuss today. For this PDF, please go and refer my LinkedIn profile. See, this is my LinkedIn profile. All the material are here. Daily I am posting this material in my LinkedIn. You can simply download these PDFs from LinkedIn. See here, this download option is available. Okay, please follow my link, follow my LinkedIn profile, Ashwin Kumar Ganji. This is my LinkedIn profile. You can simply follow and get these materials from my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like for more tutorials like this. Please like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Come to today topic. What is Stream API and what are the Stream operations? And why do we want Stream API in our real-time projects? And why they are introduced this Stream API feature from Java 8 onwards? What are the slicing operations and how to generate a list and how to filter and how to retrieve data from database and how to create a collection on filter data. We are going to discuss it today. Share what is a Stream API? Stream API introduced in Java 1.8 onwards. Okay, let me 1 second. Stream API is introduced from Java 1.8 onwards. Stream API is used to process the data. Stream API is only used to process the data. Okay, collections are used to store the data. Okay, collections are used to store the data, but Stream API is used to process the data. Okay, Stream API is one of the major feature added in Java 1.8. Without asking a single interview question, your Java interview cannot be completed because that much is important. This Stream API and Lambda expressions are very big release and it changes the programming style in Java. Okay, these are game changing features in Java 1.8. So Java 1.8 is a game changing in Java industry. Okay. Let us see discussion about what is Stream API. Stream API is used to process the data, and Stream in Java is defined as what is the Stream definition? What is the Stream API definition? Stream API definition is Stream API in Java is defined as sequence of data that comes from a source. Okay, here source may be whether it is an array or a collection, whatever it may be. It is a sequence of data that comes from a source. Okay, Stream is not a data structure. Okay, first of all, see here, Stream is not a data structure and it does not change any data structure. Okay, it it's a view of data that enables complex operations such as filtering the existing collection or mapping the existing collection and grouping the existing collection or from grouping one collection by referring one key object to a new map collection. Okay, and reduction function. Okay, reduction method is also there. The source of the stream can be either a array or a collection. Okay, stream source can be a array or a collection. Stream creation methods. Okay, we can create a stream by various methods like stream.off method. We can directly pass the class objects here by in stream.off method. and we can directly give our array reference variable to create a stream, or our collection reference variable to create a stream. Here another stream is available, that is parallel stream. Here stream is a serial stream. This stream method is a serial stream. It retrieves the data step by step. While this parallel stream will iterate parallelly the stream. Stream.iterate method is also available. It directly iterate our list stream. Okay. Stream.generate method is also available. What are the types of operations? Stream operations are two types. One is intermediate operations and another one is terminal operations. Okay. See here, one is intermediate operations and another one is, oh sorry, one is intermediate operations, another one is terminal operations. What is intermediate operation? Intermediate operational methods will perform operations on a stream. Okay. Intermediate operational methods are used to perform some operations on the stream, and it will returns a new stream. Okay. These intermediate operations will perform operations on a given stream, and it will create a new stream based on the filtering, based on the operations. Okay. These intermediate operations contain filter, map, map to int, map to long, map to double, and flat map, distinct, peak, sorted, limit, skip. All these methods are intermediate operational methods. These intermediate operational methods will perform operations on a stream, and it will return a new stream. These intermediate operational methods are lazy because we need to retrieve data by using a predefined for each loop, or we can create a new collection. And okay, see here, returning a new stream. And another method is terminal operational methods. These terminal operational methods will take input and it will provide output directly. Okay. it these terminal methods will not these terminal methods will not create a new stream. It will direct These terminal operational methods will directly return our output. Okay. What are the terminal operational methods? See here, for each method, collect method, count method, min max methods, matching operations, like anyMatch, allMatch, noneMatch, and reduce, find first and find any. All these are terminal operational methods. Okay. Let us see intermediate operational methods with one example. Here, take filter. Filter will take predicate functional interface as input. Predicate functional interface. What is predicate functional interface? Predicate functional interface. It will take input and it will check the condition and it will return a boolean value. Whether the condition is true, then it will return a true. Whether the condition is false, it will return false. Okay. See here, I created one example here. Here I created a simple demo class. In the demo class, I created three instance variables: name, salary, age are three instance variables. For these three instance variables, I am passing input. So I'm initializing data for these three instance variables. For that I created a constructor here. I created a constructor and I am initializing those variables. I am initializing data for those variables. See here, in my main class, and my main method, I created object for this demo class, and here I am passing data for my person data. This is a parameterized constructor. Okay, this is parameterized constructor. Based on that parameterized constructor, I'm creating object for this class and I'm passing values. Here I created five objects D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 are the reference variable for this object, this class object. Here I created a stream. By using stream.off method, I directly pass these objects for this stream input. Okay. After that, I am filtering here based on this stream object. Based on this stream object, I am filtering the condition. I am giving a condition. See here, obj is a stream object reference variable. Dot. I am giving filter method. Based on what in my filter method, I am giving a condition whether the person is greater than 20, is greater than or equal to 20. It it let's say one example here. All these 5 objects I am passing as a stream. In this stream, I am giving a condition by using dot filter method. Here I am passing a condition. Okay. And after this condition, it returns a new stream. It creates a it creates a new stream. Okay. For first time, D1 object, it it passes D1 object here. D1 based on a D1 dot age, first person dot age is greater than 20. Okay, it condition satisfied. Then it will create a new string. On that new string, it passes this person name, this person object. Okay, based on that condition, it will return a new string. After the creating new string, I am iterating those stream variable, those stream objects by using forEach method here. Okay, based on that created new stream created on that, I am performing a, I am printing those filtered objects. Okay, filtered data, those filtered data. After the filtering data, I am printing those filtered data. After that filtration, it created a new stream method. Based on that new stream method, based on that new stream, I am iterating those new stream data. See here, I am crossing here. I'm giving a lambda expression. Every time first object will take it, will take as input, and it will printing based on that given condition. I dot name first it print name hyphen and age. See here output. If the person age is greater than 20, then only it will return. Then only it will retrieve data. Okay. Here see all the ages of the person is greater than 20. Then only it will pass a new stream. Based on that new stream, I am iterating the data by using for each loop. Okay. Next map method. Map will take functional interface. Okay. What is functional interface? It will take input and it will return output also. Okay. Map method is performing operations based on functional interface. Functional interface will take one input and will return one output. Okay. What is map? Here, what is map? Transforms each element in the string. Mapping operations are belongs to intermediate. This map, okay, this map method is belongs to op, intermediate operational method. Okay, it will check the condition and it will return a new string. Okay, all the intermediate functional methods are check the condition and it will generate a new string. Mapping operations are used to transform the string elements and return transform elements as a new string. Okay. This map converts each element using a functional interface. Here map have some sub methods also. Map to int method, map to long method, map to double method. These are specialized mapping methods for primitive types. Here, see one example. Here, a demo class and three instance variables. I am initializing these three instance variables by a parameterized constructor. Then I am passing person data. Here, see here, I am creating a list by using these class objects by by arrays.asList method. Arrays.asList. Here I am passing these class objects. Look, see here, d1, d2, d3, d4 are these class objects. Okay, it takes input as class objects, and I am creating a list here. My list name, my list return type is demo. Okay, my list name is as list. Here my list reference variable is as list. Based on that as list method, based on that as list, I created a stream by using dot stream method. Okay, see here, here as list is my collection name, collection list name. Based on that, I created a stream, and I filtered a data. I filtered, and in filter I given a condition. If person salary is greater than or equal to 20,000, then only it it creates a new stream. Okay, if this condition satisfies, so only then only it will create a new stream. On that new stream, it will pass those person objects. Okay, here first time here our list contains d1 object. First time it passes d1 object. What for d1 person name is Yashwant and his salary is 20,000. Here I am checking a condition. D1 dot salary is greater than equal to 20,000. Here greater than or equal to 20,000. Condition is satisfied. Then it will generate a new stream, and it will store this person, this first function, first person object. What the first person object name, salary, age, all those details will store in the new generated stream. Okay. After that, I am checking one more condition by using map to retrieve the to see here transform elements. Map is used to transform elements. Here, after this condition checking, it will generate a new stream. Based on that generated new stream, I am checking a condition here. Okay, I am checking here. I am passing a condition here. If this person is satisfied this condition, okay. See here, take this example. Here I am passing d1 object, d1 d1 dot name. Here d1 person name is Ashwant, and I am converting this name to uppercase. Okay, map takes input and return in new stream. Here, after the filtration, it will generate a new stream. After created that new stream, I am checking one more condition. I am passing one more condition on generated new stream. Here I am transform this name to uppercase letters. Okay, map types in input and it return new string. After that, it will created one more new string. Based on that created new string, I am returning. I am traversing new string elements by using forEach method. Okay, here after filtration created one string. After map map transform elements created one string. Based on after created after that I am iterating those data by using forEach method. Okay, see here example. All the person names who satisfied salary is greater than 20,000 are iterating here. Okay, I am printing those names here. Okay, earlier before Java 8, if you want to check these conditions, it will take we can write a several lines of code. Those lines To avoid legacy code, this Java it will create our conditions in less lines with more faster. Okay, this is how the new game changing features are available from Java downloads. See here, one more method is flatMap. This flatMap is used to traverse elements one by one. Okay, it is used to flatten list of streams into a single stream. What does it mean? It takes any list. Okay, here see we are passing two lists to one list. It is used to flatten list of streams into a single stream. Okay, it is used to flatten list of streams into single stream. List of two lists of streams into a single list stream. That means it will traverse elements one by one. One by one, it will traverse elements. Okay. See here one example. Here I'm taking two lists. First one is Java and array start as list method. I'm directly passing my data here. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring microservices. These are course contents of Java. Okay. Those course contents I am storing in a list with the name as Java. After that, I am creating one more list. These list contain HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Those are UI course UI course details. Okay, I am I am storing this list into a UI list. Okay, after that I am passing those two lists into a new list. See here, I am passing those two list objects into a new list. Here, see here, list of string. Okay, one our main list will take two sublists. Okay, two subs list it will take. Here, by using arrays.addList method, I am passing these two list objects here. Okay, if you want to traverse those courses list data, it will by using map, it will generate list by list. To avoid that, we are using flat map here. It will traverse element one by one. Okay, for that condition only we are using flat map here. Flat map is used to traverse elements one by one from a list of streams into a single stream. Here I am passing this list. Here courses is my list. Then after I created a stream. After that stream creation, I am giving flat map condition here. See here, I am creating a single stream here. I am passing each element to my flat map and I am creating single stream. Here our courses list contains two sublists. Okay, two sublist objects. So it will create each sublist into a single subs. If we pass list of streams in list of streams, this flat map converts into a single stream. Okay, it will create a stream object, and I am giving flat map as a reference variable name. For this stream object, I am giving flat map as a name. Based on that flat map reference variable, I am iterating the data. Okay, I am iterating data. See here, it will printing one by one data, but I have given here, but I am giving here two lists, but it will iterating a data by in a format single list. Okay, see here, distinct, limit, skip, sorted, these are also intermediate operational methods. To these are also known as slicing operations. Why am why I'm calling it as slicing operations? Because these methods have some unique characters, or some unique functionalities. Distinct is used to remove duplicate elements from a stream of data. It removes duplicate elements, and that means it will removes duplicate data, and it will create a new stream. After this distinct method, it will create a new stream. All intermediate operational methods will create a new stream. After the condition checking, it will create a new stream. Distinct method is used to remove duplicate elements from a stream of data. Limit. Here, what is limit? It takes input as a long size. It means it limits the size of output. Okay, it will limit size of output. Here, this limit will limit the size of our output. Okay, this skip method will skips the elements in print the time of printing. Here, this skip method will take input as long. That means it skips the elements in output in ascending order. It will skip elements from starting elements. This sorted method is used to sort elements in order. See here the example. Here in my class, I am passing a list of names here by using arrays.addList method. Here I am passing a names list, and I am storing this names list object into a names refer names. Here names is a object reference variable. Based on that names object reference variable, I am creating a string here. After that, I am passing here. I given a condition distinct method. Here I am given distinct operational method. Here distinct method is used to remove duplicate elements. Okay, it will remove duplicate elements. After that, I am limiting this output. What is my output limit is 6. Limit is used to limit the output. After that, I am skipping first element. Okay, I am skipping first element. Skip. What is this size of my skip here? I am passing 1. It will skip first element in my generator new stream. After that, I am traversing each element. After that, I am traversing each element. See here, if we pass a list of names here, based on that, I am creating a stream here. After that, I am passing the string method here. After that, it will remove duplicate elements in my generated new stream. In my generated new stream, it does not remove existing duplicate elements. It will remove duplicate elements, and it will generate new stream here. All the operational, uh, all the intermediate operational methods will generate new stream. After that new stream, after this distinct method, I am limiting my output size as 6. After this limit method, it created a new stream with size as 6. Here I am giving size as 6. So it will create a new stream with a size of 6. After that, I am giving I am taking skip method. It will skip the first element in the after this limit generated a new string. Based on that new string, it will skip the first element in that generated new string. So the size of my new string is 5. After that, I am traversing each element by using for each method with one by one. See here my output. It will remove remove all the duplicate elements, and it will skip first element in my unique elements. Okay, and the size of my output is 5 because I am skipping first element in my generated new string. That only it will generate 5. It will give output as 5. So my stream size is 5 here. After that, we are having matching methods: anyMatch, allMatch, noneMatch. These methods will return a boolean value. These methods will return boolean value. See here, anyMatch, allMatch, noneMatch are which type of methods? Are terminal methods in matching operations. Here, anyMatch, allMatch, noneMatch are terminal operational methods. These terminal operational methods will directly return output. So that by based on that condition, it will these methods will return directly a boolean value. Here, anyMatch will check the given string or given data will you unique or not. If given data is unique, then only it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay, or else see here, I am giving I am taking any match here based on that existing list of names list. It will check whether the given name is whether the given parcel name is starts with this name or not. If it will present, it will directly return a boolean value true. Else it will return false. After that, this anyMatch will return boolean value. Here I am storing this value in a boolean anyMatch reference variable. After that, I am taking allMatch method. All if all the names contains this this given character, then only it will return true. Else it will return false because it checks all the given names. After that only it will return a boolean value. See here, all my names will start with a character A. No, here R Y P K S different different starting letters. So it will return false. See here, any match will return false. After that, I am passing one more method. I created a one more example with noneMatch. Here I am checking one more condition whether uh, whether any character which starts with this name. If no character is matched with this name, then only it will return true. Else, if any character will match this character, then it will return false. See here, no name will match. Here, no name is matching with the given sequence of characters. So that's why it will directly return a boolean value true. See here, my output noneMatch demo will return a true. Here one more method is collect method. It is a terminal operational method. It will directly return output. Okay, it will use it to collect our uh, it will use it to collect our data into a list or set or map. Okay, see here one example. Here I'm passing a existing example names list. Based on that names list, I created a stream here, and I here I create here I'm taking distinct method to remove duplicate elements in the existing stream, and it will generate a new stream. Based on that new stream, I'm storing this new stream into a new list by using collect method. Collect method of collectors.toList. I am passing the created new stream into a list. See here it is returning a string list object. Based on that list, I am traversing each element by using forEach method. See here one more terminal method is here, reduce. Reduce method is aggregated values into a single result. It will check condition and it will return output in a single time. Okay, see here one example. Here I am passing a number array list and I am storing into a numbers as a reference variable. This list reference variable is numbers. Based on that numbers, based on that list reference variable numbers dot I created a string here, and I am created a reduce method here, and I am here here I here some here this conditional will return sum of given numbers. It will return sum of given numbers. It will perform a operation integer sum. Here every time my reference here the integer is a data type, and I am passing sum here. It will sum first element plus second element plus third element, all the given numbers. It perform sum of given numbers, and it will store into a, because here I am passing integer data type, but based on that data type it will return int data type. Okay, sum of given numbers. It will perform sum of given numbers, and I am printing the sum. Earlier this this sum of given numbers will take, we can perform by using for loop, and we are initializing a sum equal to 0, and every time sum plus I equal to I, it will take it will take 5 to 6 lines. But see here it will perform only in one single line. See this how much important is stream API. Then see here min, max, count, average, all these also terminal operational methods. It will check condition, and it will directly return output. Here I created a employee class, and I created a 3 instance variables ID, name, salary, and I am initializing these instance variables by using a parameterized constructor. And here I am passing values. And here I created employee class object, and in that class object I passed person details. Here after the after the employee object creation, here I created a list. In that list I am passing these class objects here. This return type is employee, and this list reference variable is list. Based on that this list reference variable, I created a string here, and see here I am collecting the data into a new whether it is optional class or whether it is a list. Here I am comparing collectors.max by. Here, who is the maximum salary? I am comparing each who contains maximum salary by collectors.max by method. Here I am take here based on that comparator interface dot comparing method. Here I am comparing every employee salary who contains maximum salary. Okay. After that, it will perform on string operations. So that's why it will create a optional class, optional return type. Here max is my optional return type. Here I am returning maximum salary by max.get method dot salary. Here max.get will return all the employee data. Based on that employee data, I am returning my salary. Same as max by salary as min by for minimum salary for for given employee data. It will check and collect the data and it store it into a optional return type. Based on that, minimum salary will be printing here. What is maximum salary here? 46,500. Here, employee to have highest salary. Here, what is minimum salary? 16,500. Here, employee 4 contains minimum salary. After that, average. Average method. See here one more example. Here, I am averaging all the salaries of the employees by using collectors dot averaging double. Here I am passing salary. Here I am passing salary. It will directly return double. See here, it is a double. It is taking double. So it will return double object here. Here average salary is a reference variable for this condition. See here I am directly printing it. See here the average salaries of employees 30,300. It will calculate every these 5 employees and it will divide by 5. After that we are getting this output 30,300. This 30,300. See here one more terminal operational method is grouping by. This grouping by is used to group key value pair. It will return a map interface, a map object. See here one example. You can understand. Here uh, I created employee class objects and I passed. Here I am passing employee details. After that I created a list and I am passing these class objects by using arrays.addList method. Here this list method contains employee objects, employee data. Based on that list, we are creating a string here, list.string here. After that, the we are collecting the existing string into a new based on grouping by. Here we are grouping based on country. Here our key is country. Based on that country, based on that country name, we are giving value. What is our value here? Our employee details, our employee data. It will return a map object here. Here map or map string is our key value. Our key value is country and our value is list of employee details. Okay, it returning a map. It will return a map. So collections is very important to use Steam API. Based on grouping by country name, It will return employee data, employee values. See here, USA. USA, USA is a country. Based on that country, we are getting employee details. Here, ID 1. Employee 1 is from USA. It is printing a value. Here, key is USA and the employees or value. Here, employee 5 is also from USA. It is also printing. One key contains two values here. Okay. It will employee here we are giving value is a employee object here, employee list. So that condition we are grouping each employee data by using country name. Based on that country is a key. Here country is a key and employee details is a value. Map will take key value pair. Map will store key value pair. Based on that, it will create key here USA and employee details. First employee is from USA and second employee is also from fifth employee is also from USA. It will return this type of okay. Here I am printing this map object here. Map it will printing directly key value pair. Okay. Here one more iterator, split iterator. It is a special iterator like iterator, unlist iterator, enumeration from collection API. Spliterator is introduced in Java 1.8 version onwards. Spliterator is an interface in collection API. In collection API, Spliterator supports both serial and parallel programming. And that is both serial and parallel streams. Spliterator by using Spliterator, we can use to traverse both collections and streams. We can we can use Spliterator. We can traverse collections. We can Spliterator. We can traverse in a stream. Then for that also we can use split iterator. Split this split iterator will not use it for map implementation classes. It does not support for map implementation classes. Okay. See here one example. Here I'm taking a names list here. Based on that names list, I created a stream and I created a split iterator method here. This split iterator method will traverse each element from this list and it will print. Okay. See here, I am storing this stream into a split iterator. Based on that split iterator, I am iterating by using forEach remaining. This split iterator, this special iterator, this split iterator contains one special method for each remaining method. It will it will traverse each element by using forEach remaining and it will print. See here, we are getting output here. Okay. This is a split iterator which is also introduced from Java 8 onwards. Okay, let's stop this session here. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video to your friends and family members. This for this material, please go to my LinkedIn profile. All the material I am posting daily here. Please go to my LinkedIn profile and follow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.